Okay, good evening everyone. Currently we are along Tanah Merah Coast Road. We are going to Changi village tonight. We started off from East Coast Park, which is somewhere 15 kilometers away. You know, the borderline of East Coast Park and the Changi Coast Road. The other time when I cycled to East Coast Park eastbound. So Changi village is straight ahead. I think it will take me another like 30 to 40 minutes. So just stay with me. Anyway, I'm on this cycling lane. This lane is dedicated for us cyclists. So I'm going to follow all the way to Changi village using this lane. That is the Changi Airport's control tower. And the whole area behind these fences are Changi Airport. Okay, we still have a long way to go. So let's continue. Okay, so if you come across the signboard, it means Changi village is maybe another 20 to 25 minutes away from our point. Anyway, there's nothing here. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have come to this point. Changi Beach Park is the other side. Anyway, due to the COVID-19, all beaches are closed except the park. So you can still go to the park, but not to the beach. Okay, so this is Changi Beach Park. I don't know if you can read it out. So we'll quit the road and we will cycle through the park instead. So like I mentioned, the beach is closed. Anyway, it's already dark here. You can't really see much. I don't know if you can see the pathway that will lead us to Changi village. Okay. Finally, we are here. Okay, so let's track back. We have passed by a few barbecue pits area, the Kafai Jetty, SAF Jetty, several others barbecue pits. This is Changi Coast Road, Changi Ferry Terminal, and Aviation Park Road. So all the way to our final destination. Okay. Alright, so there's nothing much to see here at night. It's very dark. So let's call it a day. And time to cycle home. All the way back to East Coast Park and then home. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this cycle trip for tonight. Thank you for watching. Let's go.